Hey guys, did you know that turmeric, carrot, and coconut oil can literally transform your skin in just 21 days? Yes, you heard that right. Some people even start seeing results in just 14 days. If you're struggling with dark spots, dull skin, or uneven tone, this natural oil blend might just be your new best friend. So stick around because I'm about to show you how to make it right in your kitchen and unlock that natural glowing skin. But first, let's quickly break down why this combo works like magic, taking a quick look at turmeric. This golden spice is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It helps reduce acne scars, lighten hyperpigmentation, and gives your skin that radiant glow. Next is carrot. Rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, carrots help rejuvenate your skin cells, reduce wrinkles, and brighten dull skin. Lastly, coconut oil. A natural moisturizer loaded with fatty acids. It deeply hydrates your skin and protects it from dryness and irritation. Now imagine all that power infused into one oil blend. That's glow in a bottle. Now let's make this skin-loving oil in a few simple steps. Step 1. Wash your carrots and turmeric thoroughly with clean water. We want zero dirt or impurities. Step 2. Slice them thinly using a vegetable cutter or knife. The thinner, the better for extraction. Step 3. In a clean saucepan, pour in 1 cup of coconut oil. Step 4. Add your sliced carrots and turmeric into the oil. Step 5. Now allow it to simmer on low heat for about 25 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The nutrients are being extracted into the oil. Step 6. Sieve the oil using a clean cloth or strainer to separate the infused oil from the solids. And lastly, optional, add a few drops of vitamin E oil for extra nourishment and longer shelf life. Pour it into a clean bottle. And that's it. Use this natural oil blend every night before bed. Gently massage it into your skin, and in just a few days, you'll start noticing the difference. Brighter skin, faded spots, and that healthy, natural glow we all love. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY skincare remedies that actually work. See you in the next one, and remember, your glow is in your hands.